Oh, damn! Oh! Hey! Put on the brakes! Stop the f***ing car!
Here are 5 of the most disturbing moments ever captured on police dash cam, starting with the unsettling case of Kendra Boone. This is 33-year-old Kendra Boone of Silver Springs, who attempted to steal an elderly woman's car keys in a parking lot. When deputies arrived, she pretended to be the one who called 911 and walked up to one of the cruisers. The unsuspecting officer casually stepped out of his car to talk to her, and that's when she made her move.
No. It did so fast, she just got in my car and took off. Eastbound on Highway 40 past the substation. Were you the one who called us?
Yes. I'm still, really shaking. She tried to reach in and grab the keys from my vehicle.
When I'm behind them, she is going westbound on 40. She has lights and flares on, running off the side of traffic.
Excuse me to all stations, I need help.
From this point on, Boone repeatedly tried to reach law enforcement dispatchers using the radio in the cruiser, but never got through.
They're now passing the wait station, still eastbound. And we're still eastbound past the wait station. Just turn around and now it's westbound. Yeah, we're subject back westbound.
Excuse me, I need the real police. No, before you switch, this is wrong.
Deputies deployed stop sticks ahead of the woman, but when she saw the police car with flashing lights, she turned around. That turn of events set things up for the worst possible outcome.
And she's turning around. She's conducting a U-turn. She is. Signal 4. Signal 4, station 1033.
Stay away from the car! Stay away from the car! Back up! Back up! Back up! Back up! Are you guys okay? Hello?
Signal 4, another vehicle.
You guys okay?
Signal 4, another vehicle.
I'm not getting a response from this. Hello?
You hear me?
Marion, I got the police cruiser on fire.
During the pursuit, Kendra Boone reached a top speed of 127 miles per hour. At the time of the crash, she was going 111 miles per hour. She, as well as the driver and a passenger of the pickup truck, was pronounced dead at the scene. Another passenger was hospitalized in critical condition, but succumbed to his injuries 2 weeks later. Next up, we have the chilling case of Luis Cobos Zenobio.
Are you hit? Are you okay?
I'm just really scared and shaken up.
Okay.
On November 11, 2018, Washington County Corporal Brett Thompson ended up in a bizarre situation when he tried to pull over a green Saturn for a traffic violation. The driver wouldn't stop, slowing down briefly before speeding up again, almost like he was toying with the officer. After a few tense minutes, the vehicle finally stopped, but not for the reason Thompson had hoped.
136.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Jesus! Shots fired, County. Shots fired, kid! Kenny, I need units now!
After driving off, the suspect stopped about 150 feet away to let a female passenger out, then took off again. The officer, who hadn't even realized she was in the car this whole time, later found out she was the suspect's girlfriend.
Temple, I got a white female just got out. She's walking southbound off of Steel. You good? I'm good.
Do you need any help?
I'm good. Stay in your house. Hey! Come here! Keep your f***ing hands up, too! Why'd he pull a gun on me? What the hell is he doing?
I don't know. I don't know.
Get on your knees.
Yes.
Alright, put that down. Do you have any weapons on
I
you?
don't have anything on me but
Alright, I'm gonna put you in handcuffs because I don't know what I'm dealing with. Are you hit? Are you okay?
I'm just really scared and singing up.
Okay.
Miraculously, no one was injured during this 53-second-long shootout. The suspect, later identified as 29-year-old Luis Cobos Zenobio, soon got into another shootout with the police and was arrested. While awaiting trial in the Washington County Detention Center, he was killed by his cellmate. Next up, we have an incredibly brutal case that shows exactly why you shouldn't drink and drive. On May 20th, 2023 at 5 a.m. in Gaithersburg, Maryland, police responded to a call about 37-year-old Lawrence White, who was found unresponsive in his car, sitting in the middle of a ramp, likely intoxicated. After peering through his heavily tinted windows, police noticed a gun in his lap, making them proceed with caution.
County police! Don't move! Put your hands up! Put your hands up! Let me see your hands! Hands up, police! Oh, let me see how they hand! Keep your hand raised! Up! Keep your hand up! Hands up! Police! Hands up! Keep your right hand up! Watch that right hand.
Hey man, put the gun down. Put the gun down. What? Put the gun down.
Unlock the door and put your hands on the steering wheel. No, no, no. No. It's in the car. Let me see your hands.
Put it in drive. Put it in drive. Police.
Hey,
Hey, move that car up here.
Put the car against us. Put the car.
Hey, let me see your hands. Let me see your hands.
Seeing the suspect trying to break through the roadblock, one of the cops takes on the dangerous task of placing stop sticks in front of his rear wheels. As the suspect manages to slip away, he hits the stop sticks, sealing his fate.
Lane 2.
Behind us, girl, take off. Bail out, bail out. Crash.
After being ejected from his car in the crash, the suspect is run over by an officer who doesn't even realize it until later.
Let me see your f***ing hands! Let me see your f***ing hands! Let me see your hands! Oh, he eject!
Emergency medical services pronounced Lawrence White dead at the scene. 2 occupants of another vehicle involved in the crash suffered minor injuries and were transported to a hospital for treatment. The next case shows how quickly an officer's life can be turned upside down. On March 5th, 2021, Officer Patrick McCarty of the Carroll Police Department pulled over a vehicle. But this wasn't just any traffic stop, it was a targeted one. Surprisingly, the officer wasn't focused on the driver at all. His attention was on the passenger, 29-year-old Dennis Geider.
How's it going, guys? Hey, Dennis. Hey, hate to be the one to tell you this, but it sounds like you got a warrant out of Illinois. Okay. You got your ID on you? I'm sorry? Okay. Do you have anything on you? Why don't you step out of the car until we can identify you? You got anything on your person, man? You got anything on you? Any weapons or anything like that? What's up? Awesome. Okay, go ahead and step out. Hello? Go ahead and step out, man.
But instead of stepping out, Dennis started frantically talking to the driver. Seconds later, he shoved the driver out of the car and tried to flee. This small act was likely staged to prevent the driver, who was probably Dennis's friend, from getting in trouble for his actions.
Stop the car, man! Stop the car! Stop the car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car! Stop it! Stop the car! Stop the car! Get off the... Put on the goddamn brakes! Put on the f***ing brakes! Put on the brakes! Stop the f***ing car! Stop the f***ing car, man! Jesus! Stop the car, man!
The fall we just witnessed left Officer McCarty with a broken back, and it took him nearly a year to recover from that injury. Geider was later arrested and pleaded guilty to serious injury by vehicle. He was sentenced to up to 5 years in prison. And the driver of this car made a mistake that will haunt him for the rest of his life.
Stop! Please! Stop!
This tragic story took place in 2019 in Chicago when police attempted to stop a stolen Chrysler.
There we go, taking off. Go ahead.
734.
Last plate you ran. 734, we got a vehicle taking off from us eastbound from 71st to Peoria. The last plate we ran. It's going to be a Chrysler 300.
734, you're eastbound from Peoria and 71st. And what's the plate?
It's going to be the last plate you ran.
Last plate is 742-4618. It comes back to a 2015 Chrysler.
Okay, what's your location now?
As the Chrysler sped down the road, the driver lost control and crashed into a silver Mitsubishi, sending the vehicle flipping.
Turn off 730, go ahead.
Oh, stop, slow down, slow down, slow down.
Got it. 34, what you guys wanted for? He just crashed 7-1 Sewer Squad.
734, we need an ambulance, quick.
Oh, shit.
71 in Parnell, is there a crash? What's going on?
Jason Yancey, the 23-year-old passenger of the stolen vehicle, was ejected from the car and died on impact. However, the real psychological horror sets in when the driver realizes he just killed his friend.
Oh, damn, bro. Hey, hey. Give me handcuffs, handcuffs. My homie, bro.
Sit down, sit down.
Sit down. Look at him, bro. Look at him, bro. Hey, cuff me in front. I can't see this. Get the get me away from this. I can't
Relax,
see
relax.
this. Get me away from this. Get me away from this, please. Get me away from this.
The officer agreed to move the suspect away from his friend's body, but it wasn't enough to snap him out of shock.
Okay, make sure you're okay.
Are you okay? Yeah,
Make sure
relax.
they're okay.
Look at me.
Good.
Okay.
Good. I'm great.
You a little drunk?
No, I'm not drunk. They were drunk.
Relax. Okay?
35,
Oh, hey, stop looking. Okay, stop. Okay, don't look at them. Okay? Don't look at them. Okay? I'm gonna stop. Yo, stop. Okay? Relax. We got an ambulance. Please, we got an ambulance, okay?
Call his mama. Call.
Okay, I will.
Call somebody. Please. Call somebody, please. I don't need help.
I know.
I don't need help.
Ambulance is coming.
I don't need help.
Do you hear them? Ambulance is coming.
I don't need help.
Relax, okay? Relax. Stay in here.
I don't need help. Oh my God, bro. He got it. He dead.
Relax.
Look at him. Help him.
Stop. Sit down.
Help him, please.
Stop. Relax.
As a result of the collision, 3 people were taken to the hospital in serious to critical condition, while 2 others were in fair to serious condition.